Demolition Man, call demoman.com. Today we're doing a deck removal. Demolition Man, call demoman.com. On Google, over 80 5-star reviews. Demolition Man, Roseville, look us up. Residential, commercial, and industrial projects. Kitchen demo, bathroom demo, chimney removal, whatever you need done. If it's a garage, a shed, call us. Demolition Man, call demoman.com. We're chopping out a deck right now, taking care of that, getting that all clean. Remember, we've got a team here. We've got over 30 years experience. Demolition Man, Roseville, Michigan, over 80 5-star reviews. Demolition Man, call now to look us up on Google. Demolition Man, Roseville. Check us out. We're making things happen and we can help you. Call now. You are a friend, Demolition Man.